Today, an important task awaits on the farm just outside the city. The quiet countryside is interrupted, as the neighbor has a lot of work and needs help. The machines are ready, and it's going to be a very busy day. The neighbor looks toward the competitor, squints, and with a slight smirk mutters,
Well, they started early.
A happy song about the farm.
The Baler. Yes, that's the task for today. Gotta hurry to get it done before the others.
That's already the first bale. He's moving fast. No way! Already the second bale? What's going on?
Happy song about the farm.
Well, lightning fast, as always. I wonder how...
The farmer sat on his porch, waiting for his neighbor, who was supposed to bring hay for the horses.
Where did that creature go? He should have been here already.
The farmer was loading the last hay bales onto the trailer and wasn't expecting any problems. Yet. Meanwhile, the farmer sent his helper on a motorcycle.
Will it take much longer?
Where is he with that hay?
While approaching the farm, something went wrong. The farmer got a flat tire.
What have you done? We need to fix this. The horses are waiting.
The helper said and went to get help. Roadside assistants with a new tire quickly arrived on site and replaced it with a new one. The wheel was quickly replaced, but another problem appeared. The tractor didn't have enough power to go uphill with the load and needed help. After all the problems, the tractor finally reached the neighbor, but it was too late. The horse had died.
No, this can't be real.
As if that wasn't enough, while unloading the hay bales, the overloaded tractor started to spark. The engine struggled more and more. Strange noises came from inside, until suddenly the first sparks appeared, signaling another failure. A fire truck bursts out of the station. Flashing lights and a roaring engine. They don't slow down. Remember when the neighbor failed to deliver the hay on time? That's when it all began and the fire broke out. The fire was brought under control, but sadly, the horse couldn't be saved. But what comes next?
I hope you never fix it.
After those words, a tow truck going downhill loses control, flips over, and moments later bursts into flames. Once again, the fire brigade must be called, this time with firefighting foam. The whole situation happened quickly. Unfortunately, the farmer saw everything and said,
What have you done? This is the end.
Unfortunately, that wasn't the end. The wreck had to be cleared. But how?
Will you help?
Local strongmen stepped in to help.
All right, let's go.
Damn, what I want is spicy, cause everybody wanna do bad things. What could go wrong? Nothing brings blood. Success is a finicky thing. If you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself.
All right, guys, all together. 1, 2, 3.
The strongmen handled it quickly. But what now? How do we transport the damaged tractor? Can the tow truck handle this task?